today we are going to take a look at the new iPhone. You're right. It's that time of year again. We'll take a look at the brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. That is a mouthful, right? But before we do that, I do want to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe. All three of those are a requirement to watching this video. I'm tracking it all. I'm kidding, okay? I'm kidding. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Comment, I hate this video. Whatever. I will go home and cry. That's fine. But anyways, let's get into it. It is the all-new iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's right. Right here in our hands, in the studio, in the flesh, is the forest green. But before we talk about this device there, we gotta talk about the other devices. So on the launch day, Apple talked about their products and their service, Apple TV Plus and everything. But they announced the new iPhone 11, which is gonna replace the iPhone XR, the iPhone 11 Pro, which is gonna replace the XS, and then the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is replacing the XS Max. Are they Pro though? That's a good question. Today we're not really gonna talk about if they're Pro or if they're not. We may touch on it, but the majority of the video will just be unboxing. Let's get right into that, okay? So if Apple does one thing, right? Well, they do a few things, but it's that crinkle. If I gave this to my dog, she'd be like,
"Life is here."
Anyways, we'll save that for later. But let's take a look at the new device. There is the forest green, like I said. And we have gone back to the black boxes from the white ones of yesterday. Well, not yesterday, literally, but you know what I'm saying, whatever. Oh, awkward. Oh, that's nice. Now, one thing we notice here is they've actually taken away the back plastic. I don't know if that's just because you can more easily gaze at the phone's beauty. Never mind. Anyways, here it is in the flesh. We've got the forest green. Look at that. Now let's take a look what they've got in the box. Typical Apple fashion. Bonjour. I'm in Canada, so that's French. We've got your stickers. We've got your guides. We've got the SIM ejection tool. And that is it. Now, if you've been following the Apple rumors, there was, will there be USB-C? Will there not be USB-C? Will there be Lightning? Will there be reverse wireless charging? I'm going to answer some of those questions. With first, yes, there is USB-C in the terms of a high-powered wall outlet. So on the other side of it, you've got your standard Lightning to USB-C versus Lightning to USB-A, I believe. A step in the right direction, right? Like let's acknowledge that, okay? But is it USB-C on the phone itself? No, it's not. Pro device, USB-C, should it have it? Probably. The iPad Pro has it, so why doesn't the iPhone 11 Pro have it? Is it a really pro device, Apple? Answer me that. Anyways, so, but hey, we've got the quicker charger. It's great. Life is good. It's 2019 with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Standard headphones, Apple has been including those forever, day one, literally. But let's take a look at the device. Right there. That is the beauty. Those are the three cameras. That is one of the top new achievements this device has. The other being that this actually has 5 hours more battery life than the previous model. The iPhone 11 Pro, smaller downsize, has 4 hours more than the previous model. That was done by the A13 Bionic chip and Apple's ability to manage the power around that chip and only give power to the sections of the chip that need it and turn off the sections that don't, which is great. No wireless charging. No reverse wireless charging. There's standard wireless charging built into this. And the 3 cameras. We've got a telephoto, we've got an ultra wide, and then your standard shooter there that Apple has been including for a bit. So in terms of the device front, we've got the Face ID. Apple does say it's about 30% faster than last year's. Was that done by iOS 13 or the phone? I'm going to say it's probably done by iOS 13, but let's pretend it's the phone. They also say it's going to give you better angle viewing, so you're going to be able to lay this on a table and take a look, and it's going to unlock a lot easier. In terms of weight, it's actually about 22 grams heavier than last year's model, mainly due to the new battery, we could assume, but we don't know until somebody does one of those teardowns. Button placement is all the same, but look at that forest green. It's beautiful. Can't wait to go ahead and use it. It is available obviously in Apple stores right now. This model in Canada is about $17.70. Crazy price for 256 gigabytes of storage, but that's what you pay. That is it. That is the quick look and unboxing of the iPhone 11. I'll be taking a look at it a little bit more in detail over the next coming days and weeks, and I'll do a follow-up video and let you know, does it justify the name iPhone 11 Pro Max? Until next time, if you just please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.